Hello viewers, today we are going to make biryani with normal rice. Let's start. Take a pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 medium sized chopped onion in it. Fry the onion till it's turn brown in color. When the onion turns golden brown, take off all the onions in a plate. We use it later. Add 1 tablespoon shah zira in the same pan and 2 bay leaves in it. Then add 4 to 5 green chilies, chopped coriander and pudina in it. Fry for 2 minutes. When it starts nice pudina fragrance, then I add ginger garlic paste in it. For 1 glass of rice, I am adding 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. So I am taking 2 glass of rice. I am adding 2 tablespoon for rice and 2 tablespoon for meat. So I am adding 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic in it. Fry until it changes its color. Now I am adding 3 tablespoons of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder in it. You have to add chili powder as per your taste. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of garam masala and fry it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for such more videos. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of salt in it. I am taking half kilo of chicken and 4 to 5 tomatoes. Then add chicken and mix well. I am taking half kilo of chicken with bone. After mixing well, I am adding tomatoes in it and mix well. Now add half a glass of water in it and cover it until the chicken becomes soft. Cover it with a lid and cook for 15 minutes. Here I am cooking 2 glasses of rice with wash and soak for 15 minutes. I am adding some khade masale in it, cloves, elaichi and dalchini. I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Now I am squeezing half a lemon in it. These steps make the rice non-sticky. Here our chicken is cooked well. Let's check. Now it becomes soft. Then switch off the flame. Let's check the rice. When it comes to cook 80%, then close the lid and strain all the water. Now the rice is perfectly cooked. I am squeezing half a lemon in the gravy. Let's move to the final step. I am taking 2 types of food color with water and a indolium vessel specially for dum biryani. I am adding some oil of the gravy in the kadai first. Then I am adding rice on it. Then I am adding food color, 2 types of food color. One is orange and another one is green. Just sprinkle it on the top. Then I am adding golden brown onion in it. Again I am adding some rice. Then I am adding only the pieces of the chicken from the gravy. And then I am adding the rice on it. Then I am sprinkling food color and then I am adding golden fried onion in it. And then I am adding another layer of white rice. Finally, I am adding all the gravy on the top of it and cover it with a lid. On the stove, I kept a pan and put this biryani vessel on it and put something heavy vessel on it for dum for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, let's check the biryani. Our biryani is ready to serve. Isn't it mouth-watering? Let's taste the biryani. Super delicious chicken biryani is ready to serve. Wait for my next recipe. Hope you like the video.